Hi guys, so the question is Alice and Bob. Alice have a bag with n marbles. Alice and Bob have a bag with n marbles with an integer vi written on the ith marble, every ith marble. They play the following game. First, each player choose an integer. Okay, Alice and Bob choose an integer. Let's denote the integer chosen by Alice is a and integer chosen by Bob is b. Okay, after that they start drawing the marble from the bag in any order until the bag is empty. Okay, for each ball the point goes to the one who chosen the integer. Okay, it's closer to the integer of the marble. Okay, so like Alice has chosen 5 and Bob has chosen 20, and the marble which drawn from the bag is 5. Okay, so Alice get the point because Alice had chosen 4 and 4 is closer to 5. Okay, that's how this will work out. Okay, uh, the point goes to the one who chosen the integer closer to the integer of the marble. Okay, every marble have written an integer. Okay, in case of tie, Alice get the point. If there is a tie between Alice and Bob, Alice get the point. Like if Alice chosen 5 and Bob chosen 15 and marble is 10, so the point will goes to Alice. Okay, for example, this all the example which the question is explaining, you can read it. What we have to do, Bob has to manage find out the advance. Bob find out the advance that what what integer will Alice choose. So he will so we have to help him to maximize his number of points he can receive. Okay, because we know in advance how many I mean what integer Alice has chosen. Okay, so as you can see, uh, so for that what we are going to do, I have already written the code. I will just, you can read it, I will just execute it. Okay, code had compiled it. Let's now execute it. Just let's do this simple thing. Submit this code in Codeforces. What? There is an issue maybe. Okay, there is an issue in copying the code. New vim. Wait a second. Cat. Okay. Copy. Why it keeps happening? Just a second, guys. I think there is an issue in new vim. Let's use nano. Okay, it worked. Copy. Now submit this code. It should work this time. So yeah, let me explain you the code once. We have t number of test cases. We will enter number of marbles, then Alice, the integer which Alice choose. Okay, and we will declare a vector array. Okay, here v, and here we declare n is equal to 0, r is equal to 0. Okay, then what we will do, we'll use a for loop and enter the value, enter the each marble value. Okay, and if Alice marble value is greater than I, it will increment, L will increment. If less, then R will increment. Okay, if L is greater than R, then what will be the answer? A minus 1. If L is less than R, then what will be the answer? A plus 1. Okay, so that's how the code is working. Let's submit this code. So yeah, the code had submitted. Yeah, it's also accepted. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. If you have any doubt, write down in the comment section. I will definitely reply it. Thank you.